Hey everyone, Richard C. Wilson here. I just wanted to record the short video to share 15 different strategies to get maximum ROI out of spending your time going to live events. I have been to over 250 live events in 15 countries. I've also hosted 150 of our own events, including a 968-person conference just 4 days ago. So I just want to run through these 15 strategies real quick. First one is that the person at the event who's trying hardest to network is probably going to get the least amount of results. The person who's stressed out, just rushing around, shaking everyone's hand, or going to a group of people at an investment conference and saying, hey, who here has the money? And just being overly aggressive doesn't really make any business friends there. The person who's calm, collected, polite, and professional, they're the ones who will get more results because people actually want to do business with them. The next, refine your one-liner before the event. In one sentence, tell someone why it matters that you exist on planet Earth, how you're different than everyone else, and how you add value. Next, actually listen to what investors say on stage and follow up with them very specifically about what they need and what they asked for. The person who's so busy networking that they don't listen to any of the speakers on stage, especially at events like the Family Office Club events, where we ask each investor exactly what they want to invest in, what strategies and structures they like, et cetera. They're the ones who are going to make the most progress versus the person trying to make maximum contacts in the networking call. Next, have a goal of meeting with 3 powerful connections at the conference that you'll follow up with. You don't need 100 new business relationships. You just need 3 where actually something gets done to get a great ROI on your time. Next, listen first and then adapt your focus and energy and cadence of your communications with those that you're networking with, and focus on how to help them first. And then on the 5% of what you do that they're going to care about the most. Just like listening to speakers on stage and following up directly on their needs, when you're networking with someone face-to-face, figuring out where they are mentally and addressing that first is going to get them to listen to you 10 times more than just going into your pitch and seeing if you're a fit for them. Next, follow up with anyone worth doing so within 1 business day, so they don't forget who you are and it stays top of mind and you increase momentum on getting something done. Next, watch out for the people who have purple lips. They've enjoyed the wine far too much. Make sure you're not that person. Next, always have a picture of your business card embedded in your email signature, or your picture on your business card, but also your picture in your email signature to tie together when they shake your hand for 2 minutes in person and there's 800 other people at a conference. Then you follow up via email. They can see who you are. When they see your business card, they know who you are. Most people don't do that. People remember pictures and faces more than they do brand names, unless they have a really excellent brand name, which I hope you do. So just tying it all together with a picture of your face, people can really build a relationship and trust you is important. Take notes of exactly what was discussed with shorthand on top of the business card that you get or on the back of the business card so you can follow up with them. Yes, maybe you're going to remember the top few conversations, but remembering exactly what you're going to follow up with a lot of people is very challenging. And while some people might consider it rude to write on their business card, it's more rude to yourself and those around you just to waste everyone's time forgetting what the follow-up is with each person, which is what normally happens. Attend every event with a specific goal in mind so that you know with intentionality why you're there and what you're trying to get done. Next, make sure that when you follow up after an event, you don't write an essay, that you're very short, concise, and to the point. People are more likely to read your follow-ups. Next, have a sense of humor, be yourself, be authentic, be genuine, share what your passions are, and make someone feel good or laugh. It'll need more than having a great story about what your investment returns are or some other bragging point. Finally, connect with the key speakers and those you meet via LinkedIn and Facebook so that you can connect on a personal level, and it's almost like automatic follow-up with them because then they'll see what you're doing in your life and your business, and they'll think of you more often and you'll think of them more often, and it will create more of a strong relationship between the two of you. I hope these strategies help you in conferences, live events, workshops that you're going to in 2022 coming up and beyond. Hopefully, the pandemic stays in check and it gets even more under control so we can all enjoy going to more live events together. If you want to check out what we are up to at our investor club, we have over 3,000 investors registered with us. You can go to familyoffices.com. See you at a live event soon.